Hello, welcome to the world of Veritas Global Art. Veritas Global Art is a platform designed for those who want to connect, grow, and thrive. And if you are ready to learn how to earn a minimum of 2,220 Naira daily, simply by watching advert videos, then stick with me as I take you through the exciting opportunities Veritas Global has to offer. Right now, I'm on Veritas homepage, and this is how Veritas looks like. Okay, it's accessible through your mobile phone or your laptop, whether desktop or mobile phone. It's easily accessible. These are the frequently asked questions about the platform. Okay, and again, they are certified. They are certified by the government. You can see the certificates below. CAC certified, ISO 2701 certified, and ISO 2023-01 certified. So I already have an account with them, and in order for you to have an account, you will need to send me a message on WhatsApp. You can't just go to their website to sign up like that. No, you need to get what they call ads token. Okay, you need to get what is called ads token. Then when I register you, then that's when you'll be able to start earning on the platform. Okay, though it's not for free, it comes with a token, but think of it as an important investment. Okay, as a great investment. So Veritas Global redefines how social networking works. Okay, it's not just about connecting with people. It's also about making meaningful connections that helps you grow personally and financially, whether you're an individual looking to earn an extra income or a business aiming to reach new customers. Okay, so that's what Veritas Global is here to do. Okay, so just watch me now as I log in. So once I log in with my password, it takes you to the home page. Okay, this is the total amount I've earned. Okay, this is so you earn in two ways. Either you earn by referral or you earn by watching videos. So one advantage the platform offers is you don't have to refer anyone in order for you to earn. Okay, whether referral or no referral, your earning is guaranteed by watching advert videos. Okay, and videos you are watching, they are minimum of 1 minute to 1 minute 30-minute videos. Okay, that within 1 minute. Okay, and it's just an advertisement video. Okay, so today is October 1st. Happy Independence. I am so sorry for that. I should have said that earlier in the beginning. So happy Independence to all Nigerians out there. Okay, whether at home or in diaspora. Happy Independence to you all. So once I click on earn, okay, the video available for today will be shown as you click on watch videos. Okay, so this is the video available for today. Okay, so every day they will be posting videos. Okay, so it is your job to check from time to time whether a video is available for you to watch. So as you watch, you earn. So right now what I'm seeing here is 6,000, almost 6,600, almost 6,000, almost 7,000. Let's just say roughly almost 7,000. So it's like 6,660. So I'll start by watching the first video, which is 2,220. As you can see, purchase Ametic bag. So once I click on watch now, the video loads.
Oh, not again. Even in the rice and the same.
Keep your grains and other food items fresh and away from weevils and other insects for up to 2 years with a Baco Zero Fly storage bag. Baco Zero Fly storage bag uses hermetic technology to get rid of insects already in the grains after tying the bag securely for 3 weeks. It gives external protection from insects and keeps your grains fresh and safe with no added preservatives. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Arrange your food items into the Baco Zero Fly storage bag. Step 2. Tie the bag properly to prevent air from entering the bag. Step 3. Place the bag in a safe place. Baco Zero Fly storage bag is distributed nationwide and is approved by NAFDAC. Go get yours today. Visit www.bacozerofly.com for more details. Baco Zero Fly storage bag. Bag where they protect.
So once the video finishes, it redirects you to the website of the advert. Okay, the video advert was trying to promote a particular brand or a product or a company rather. So when the video is done, it redirects you automatically to the website. So maybe just so as to sign up, or to register for usage or to purchase. Okay, so if you're interested in the product and you want to purchase it, you can go ahead to sign up. But all I want is just to earn from that video. So all I need to do is just go to my tab and go back to the Veritas platform. Then you'll see a message that shows user rewarded successfully, refresh page. So okay, click on okay, then go back and refresh. You can see now I had 65,860 naira before, but once you refresh, it changes. You can see now I have 68,080 naira. So now that I have that, I'll go to the second video to watch. Okay, so I'm sure this second video that I'm about to watch will make me earn up to 70 something thousand naira. So I'll click on the second one. So this is how you earn a minimum of 2,220 naira by watching videos.
Welcome to Rockswood.
You can earn more than that.
A dynamic and innovative conglomerate driving growth and excellence across multiple industries. With a strong foundation in engineering, agriculture, fabrication, and technology, we deliver cutting-edge solutions and services that transform businesses and communities. Our commitment to quality, sustainability, and customer satisfaction has earned us a reputation as a trusted partner and industry leader. We make this possible through our following subsidiaries. Agrify, where we leverage smart technology to enhance agricultural productivity and sustainability. Aractech specializes in the fabrication of LPG tanks and complex structures, ensuring exceptional results for all steel fabrication needs. Rockswood Homes, engaged in property development and construction services. Rockswood Energy, which provides smart energy solutions tailored to meet the energy demands of various industries and households. We stand at the forefront of cutting-edge fabrication through our Rockswood FR, where we craft excellence in precision fabrications, your one-stop shop for top-notch fabrication services in Edmonton, Canada.
We have collaborated with brands like NMPC, Seplat, DGS, Heritage Oil, Honeywell, Mantra Cut, and many others pinned in our portfolio as clients and partners. Our mission is to foster a sustainable development and drive progress through innovative solutions, exceptional quality, and relentless commitment to excellence across all our business sector. For more information, contact us on our socials. Thank you.
Rockswood Group. We think aloud.
So all I need to do is just go back and refresh. Press OK. Then I refresh. I'm so sorry for the blackout. Then I refresh. Now you can see now I have 72,520 naira. So once I refresh, then I check no more videos again. So I wait for tomorrow again. So these are the videos I have watched so far. from which you can earn from. Okay, so thank you. So to get started, I will drop my WhatsApp link below. Send me a DM stating that you are interested in getting started. Then I'll respond. Thank you.
This year, good money this year, new money this year. This year,